Dance is everywhere. Today we're talking about ways that you can experience dance, not just in a dance studio. When you're in school, there are often school dances. It's a great way to meet other people and socialize. When we are at weddings, there's usually some kind of dancing involved. It's a celebratory group activity that you're able to express and rejoice and be happy for the wedding couple and their families. I've also known some cultures to dance at funerals as a way of celebrating that person's life. You'll find that there are different club settings that you can dance in, and different bands and concerts that encourage dancing. And I'm sure even if you're just sitting there, you're probably moving a little bit to whatever music's playing. It goes beyond that though. When we first opened our dance studio, I sadly got a little kickback because I asked how to make our studio as compliant as possible for those needing adjusted dance scenarios. In a couple of days, I'm actually going to talk about adjusted dance, but today I'm sticking to more of like the positive side of things, knowing that if you're nonverbal, there's ways to communicate. We can write stuff and you can still dance. If you need somebody to sign for you, for those who are hearing impaired or hard of hearing or deaf in any way, I know I am at least able to do basic sign language to be able to communicate whatever needs to be communicated. I've also worked with dancers who have had different types of devices that were able to communicate with each other. The dance movements, we'll talk about, like I said, later, but they can be adjusted to your needs. Same thing for those in a wheelchair. There are ways that you are able to dance, and that should be celebrated. That should be something that if you're looking to train in a studio, you should be able to be included in that scenario. Because again, dance is meant for everyone, some way, somehow. And it just may take slightly different approaches because, again, everybody is different. And we all come into it with a different background, and there's different ways that we're able to move and still all have that same overall goal of dancing and bringing that song to life and bringing your heart out in each of those pieces. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about liturgical dance. I will see you then.